Hi, I'm Ben. I'm an HGV driver and a crane operator here at Floorspan, and this is a day in my life. At the start of a normal Floorspan day, we just do a walk around check and have 15 minutes checking the vehicle to make sure everything's good to go, and off we go for our day. First thing we done was fill the truck up with fuel. It took about 220 litres, and then off to the install at Cubbett. Great gang of lads today. They know what they're on. I work with them all the time. Nathan's a real good lad, and it's nice to work with them. Because the E-floor is so quick and easy to do, away we went from there to do some blocks into Ramsey. And all was left to do is go back to the yard, and we loaded 156 beams, ready for an install in Precast tomorrow. And that's the end of the day till tomorrow starts.